this is Charlotte Rose and welcome to my channel again, guys. And I have a DIY, Dollar Tree DIY, guys. And I am gonna make a wall sconce, okay? So guys, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you will be notified every single time I put a new video up. I am gonna make a wall sconce, guys. So what I have here are these two wall plaques that I got from Dollar Tree, and it has the mirror and all that stuff. I got these two lantern type thing. You could put a candle on the inside of this. It screws open and you could put the candle in, guys. So that will be a part of it. I did not get this from Dollar Tree, but this is their Rust-Oleum silver paint, guys. I did not get the very metallic one because I didn't want it too shiny. I also got this glue from the Dollar Tree. These I got also. These are the hangers that you could put like over your door, but I will be cutting this part off. You'll see in a minute, guys. And it came two to a pack. I also got this Hacksaw. It says Hacksaw from the Dollar Tree also. And I will be using that to cut these. I have painter's tape and I have a X-Acto knife. So let's jump into this video, guys. Okay, so first thing you want to do, guys, you want to take your mirror and you want to use your painter's tape, and you just want to take the mirror portion off, okay? Because being that you're gonna spray paint this, you don't want your spray paint to get on your mirror. So what I'm doing here, guys, I'm just layering like this, and I'm gonna do that all the way across, and I'm gonna overlap these so that the spray does not get between them.
I am just layering the painter's tape onto my mirror so I could spray paint. So I'm gonna stop talking, guys, so I could get this done as fast as possible. So now that I got this done, it's looking like this, and you could just take your X-Acto knife, be careful, guys, and score around the edges, like so. Okay, and all you have to do now, guys, is pull the pieces away, the extra pieces, okay?
Voila. Okay, I'm gonna get my other mirror done in the same manner. This looks like a weapon, guys. In one of those karate movies, right? Sorry. Okay, guys, so I got it all taped off like this. So you want to set this aside for now, guys. So just sit this here and take your door hangers, okay? And also your Hacksaw, okay? And what you're gonna do with this, guys, I want my door hanger to, if you were to put it on like this, it wouldn't lay flat. If you were to put it on like this, it wouldn't sit flat, okay? And I really don't want it just sitting there like this. I want it to be flat and flush onto my mirror. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna take my Hacksaw, and in this area here, right in this little nook here, this is the part that would hang over the door. So what I'm gonna do with my hacksaw is just to saw this area off. Like I said, I want it to lay flat onto the mirror.
If you guys don't have a hacksaw, you could maybe use a serrated knife or something like that, and that should do the job. Okay guys, so this is my first one that I cut off. It's looking kind of jagged, but I'm just going to take my hacksaw in the same manner and try to get it straight.
It all off. Okay, so now it's flat, it's flush. Let me see if you, okay, now it's flush, guys. So I have this flat area that I could glue onto. I have a flat area that I could glue onto my mirror to let it look like that. Okay, so I'll do the same thing for the other one. Okay. Okay guys, so I got both of them cut off. They are flush in the back. So guys, I forgot to mention that I also picked up some sandpaper too from the dollar store. You get a whole package here, guys, for $1, and there is 36 pieces in this. Okay, I am not sure if it's, yes, 36 pieces. So what I'm gonna do with this, guys, I'm gonna use my sandpaper to just sand this area here to smooth it out a bit, so there is no rough areas hanging off.
Or anything like that. And it's fairly easy, guys, to cut this because it's just plastic and real easy to sand. So as you can see here, guys, I have a smooth surface. And I also want to sand it here too, guys, so it's a little rough when I put my glue on. And I'm going to do the same for this one. Just getting rid of the rough areas. And working up this area that I'm going to put the glue. Okay, so I have my smooth, flat area here for both.
Okay, so now, guys, what you want to do is you want to grab a pen, and you also want to find the hook for the nail in the back that you're going to hang the plaque from. And you just want to measure this up. Remember, you're turning the hook this way now, so you want to measure it up like that. Put your plaque down flat and make a, you want to trace around this area here. So when you, this is what it should look like. And like I said, make sure it's straight. Mine is. So I'll just do the other one the same way. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, with my X-Acto knife is I'm gonna use my X-Acto knife to cut away. I'm gonna use my X-Acto knife, guys, to cut away that area that I just put the marks in. Just carefully follow the lines, guys. And my reason for doing this, I want to spray painted it all together. I didn't want to do parts, you know, little pieces at a time. So that's why I'm doing it like this. So after you get all that extra paper out, mine is still holding on over here. And even if you were to spray this, guys, and a little spray paint get onto your mirror, it's fairly easy to. So this is what it's looking like now, guys. And like I said, even if you were to get some spray paint onto your mirror itself, it's fairly easy to get that. Okay, so now you're ready for your super glue. And just take your super glue and put it onto, you could either put it onto the mirror or you could put it onto this piece, it doesn't matter. 5 minutes later, still waiting. SpongeBob is at the bottom of the sea, making Krabby Patties. 10 minutes later, Squidward is angry with SpongeBob. I got the door hanger thing glued onto my plaque, and it's on there tight now, guys. Fairly tight. So I'm done with both. So this is what it's looking like right now. So what I'm gonna do, I am ready to spray, but I'm gonna take my little lantern thing apart. So take this part out of it, and I want to say you could take this part off too. So take that off because you're gonna spray all of that.
You don't want to spray your bottle. So take all this off. There you go. So you have the bottles. So put that aside. And you have all these little parts that you're going to go spray. So I'm going to take these to the basement, guys, and I'm going to spray everything in silver. I didn't want to do the too shiny one. So I'm just basically getting the spray paint on all the areas. And I could do this in a 360. Ready? So I could get all the areas at once. And I will come back and get this one. And I will come back and give it a second coat.
So guys, I got done with spraying. It's all dried. The spray paint is dried and the glue is fully cured. And I'm just gonna assemble this now, guys. So first thing you want to do is take away all the tape that you had previously put on here. And guys, you could spray this with polyurethane if you want to, just to make sure that your spray paint job doesn't get scratched up and stuff like that. So this is what it's looking like now, guys. And I'm gonna assemble my jar back. So I'm gonna put a little tea light right here. Like so. Okay, then you screw the top back on. So guys, this is what my Dollar Tree DIY is looking like. This is removable, guys, so you could remove that and you could have it that way, or you could put something else there, or you could just leave it just like that. So that one is not lighted, guys. I used a tea tree light, and over here I lit this one so y'all could see it with the light, and that's a regular tea tree light, guys, but I am loving this, and it just fits in with the silver glitter and the artwork I did also, and I am loving what it's looking like, guys. Tell me what you think, guys. Go like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell and you'll be notified every single time I put a new video up. Look how beautiful this is, guys. I am loving it.